never pay for AI image or video generation again. Here's the problem. You've probably heard this claim before. Other channels have promised the same thing, and it never held up. Big talk, weak tools, hidden paywalls. So, why should this video be any different? Because I'm not just going to tell you these tools exist. I'm going to show you exactly what they can do, right in front of your eyes. By the end of this video, you will have unlimited access to both image and video generation. No subscriptions, no hidden limits, no credit card required. Let's start with the first tool. It requires no login, none. You open the site, and you already have unlimited access to high-quality outputs like this. Look at that detail. Look at that resolution. This is not a downgraded free tier. This is the real thing. So, ensure to stick around, because the last tool on this list lets you generate up to 4 videos from a single prompt. And I'm going to show you exactly how that works before this video ends. So, if you're ready to stop paying for AI generation completely, let's get into it. For the first tool I'm going to be showing today, I will be showing you a completely free and unlimited tool that lets you generate tons and tons of images. No sign-up required, and it's completely free and unlimited. So we're going to head over to Perchance AI and enter into the site. This is where you get to generate tons of images. This is where you put in your prompts. And there are some other key settings and features here to edit or change how you want your image generated. For the first thing, I'm going to be putting in a very short prompt for testing. We're going to put in our first prompt about a lighthouse keeper's cat sitting on a windowsill during a thunderstorm. I'm not going to add the extra options here for generating the images. You could also add some colors and some effects, and add a genre to the image generated. But I don't really see it to be necessary because you can just add whatever detail you want to the prompt. I just want you to know that it is available. For the art style, you can choose so many different art styles. There are only 3 different shapes the image can be generated in, and you can generate up to 32 images from one single prompt, which is great. So we're going to test out the first prompt, and just like that, 4 beautiful images were generated. They all look 100% realistic. The realism is there for sure, and you can notice the cinematic quality in the generation. Everything came out crystal clear, no glitches, no distortions, following the prompt perfectly. Once you generate the image, you can click and save it. There are also some other things I want to show you about Perchance. You can generate some random prompts right here, so we're going to test out one random prompt. Let's click Generate. You can also let the AI generate a full professional prompt based on whatever ideas you may have. Here are the 4 images that were generated. They're all clean, clear, high quality. Barely any glitches or distortions in any of them. Just in case the tool wasn't able to generate something good or had glitches or distortions, you can always click this button to regenerate any image. That's it for Perchance. It's extremely powerful for generating images. You can choose whatever aspect ratio you want, generate tons of images off one single prompt, generate random prompts, or build your own prompts. This plus icon lets you improve prompts you've already put in. And one other thing I have to show you about Perchance is that there are plenty of versions of Perchance AI. There's one right here that generates characters you can also chat with, and there are other versions too. There's even a video generator, but it doesn't create the high-quality output you'd want, so I don't advise using that. That's where the next tool I'm about to show you comes into place. We all know about Meta AI and how it used to be used to generate images and videos in the past, but it no longer generates videos anymore. As you see, you're normally meant to be able to create videos here, but it isn't showing that anymore. Don't worry, I have a simple solution. You're going to head over to Vibes AI. That's the new platform for generating videos for Meta AI. It's a pretty simple website, nothing much going on, but I assure you the output on this platform outperforms most of the paid tools out there. First things first, we're going to head over to Create New. These are some projects I worked on previously, so we're going to create a new one. I'm going to put in a prompt for the tool to generate a video of a woman skydiving. Just a simple prompt, nothing too difficult. There are some advanced features here for what resolution the video should be generated in. We're going to use 720p. You can also put in an image to generate and turn into a video, put in a start frame and an end frame, and there are also some ingredients which I'm going to share with you later as the video goes on. So just a reminder that you should watch till the end, and like and subscribe if you haven't done that. For the first thing, we're going to generate the video. Let's click the generate icon. One thing I love about this platform is the ability to generate 4 different videos from just one single prompt. Let's check the first video out. Generation on this platform is extremely powerful, generating high-quality content with simple prompts. Each of them came out looking very good. The generations are clean, no visible glitches or distortions. Another thing that's great about this platform is you can put in what the character is going to say, add in some voice if you have one generated somewhere else, and sync in your music. This next feature is one of the most impressive in the tool, because the tool only generates videos of 5 seconds. So if you want to elongate the video you generated, you can click Auto Extend, and once you click it, you can extend the video that was previously generated. You can also do a manual extend. Okay, so let's head back to the home page. You can do lip sync, generate images with this tool, and generate videos as well. In the ingredients section, you can generate a character based on previous projects you've worked on, upload your own character, or choose from the library the tool has available. You can also choose from other projects, and you can generate your character based on your prompt. The same goes for style and scene. You can generate your own style and scene, or upload your style or scene based on your preference. That's it for the tool. Before we go, I'm going to generate one last thing. This is the final prompt. The whole video has been generated, so let's check it out. This is one of the greatest platforms out there for generating videos for your content, your YouTube channel, or whatever type of content you're trying to create, because it's basically the only platform out there that lets you generate up to 4 videos for absolutely free. And yes, the tool is unlimited as well. You can also auto-extend it, so for those of you complaining that it only generates up to 5 seconds, you can make it longer, and then compile everything into CapCut or any other editing software you're using. So that's it for today's video, guys. I've shown you 2 powerful tools for generating both images and videos. Both free, both unlimited, both extremely powerful. If you liked this content, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.